written on the door. That bucket of blood stayed open till 4. Ain't hard to find a great big neon sign. They only serve 3 things: whiskey, beer, and wine. Hardwood bar, rickety stools, cigarette machine, selling Camels and Cools. You can solve your problems one drink at a time. You can fix anything over whiskey, beer, and wine. Kept the lights down low, icing down the long necks till they was nice and cold. Or you could sit down and order a bottle of Waste Your Mind. 3 ways we get high: whiskey, beer, and wine. Corner booth in the back where they had the dice. Sit down at a table, shoot craps all night. Back in the good old days, drink your troubles goodbye. Mr. Dodd will save your soul: whiskey, beer, and wine. You can fix anything over whiskey, beer, and wine. Come on in here now. You want a little taste of my medication?